It went well. I mean, the track got really well. Track is amazing and people are riding great. Today's race is going good.
Leader on the 41, Leah.
First heat yesterday I got third place overall, and today as well third place. A bit disappointed with my performance, but looking forward to the third heat. These two guys in front are very fast, Ivan and Ross. Hoping I can do a better performance, but it'll be tough. I'll have to give it all, and I'm ready to do that for my country.
It's actually growing now. We have small riders who are 7, 8. So I see it growing. We'll eventually have a ladies class like now.
First I want to thank Kenya and the organizing committee. It's taken them about 6 months just to build the circuit alone. It takes over 8 months to put an event like this together. More importantly, emphasizing on the circuit because it has to fit the regulations. We came thrice to inspect the circuit to make sure it conforms with the regulations, and it's a lot of commitment. Obviously, the next thing is to work on things like safety for the riders, medical safety, and the whole structure.
This MX125 Heat 2.